Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson for this week. So this week we are basically going to start with our fifth unit and let's get right on to it. Hai semua, selamat datang. So minggu ni kita akan start dengan unit 5 Alright, we are going to refer to page 52 for this lesson. So you can go ahead, take out your pulse to textbook and turn to page 52. Okay, minggu ni kita akan fokus pada muka surat 52. So keluarkan buku teks and tengok muka surat 52, okay? First thing first, check this word out. Okay, tengok perkataan ni. Museum. Now, come on and pronounce it together with me. Museum. Museum. Okay, museum dalam bahasa Melayu dia ialah museum. Okay, so when we talk about museum, it's actually a place that is built where you can experience whatever is offered at that place. For example, when you go to a royalties museum, you are going to basically learn about the royalties of that state that you are in or of that country that you are in. If you go to a museum that speaks about animals, you are basically going to learn about animals that are available in that country or that previously existed in that country. Okay, so bila kita cakap pasal museum, basically kita akan belajar apa yang museum tu ada. Okay, contohnya kita pergi ke negeri Johor, so dia ada museum diraja negeri Johor. So kita akan belajar mengenai institusi diraja, siapa raja sebelum ni, siapa raja sekarang. Okay, apa nama beliau, apa nama mereka kan, kita belajar benda tu. Okay, kalau kita pergi ke museum yang bercerita tentang haiwan ataupun hidupan yang wujud sebelum ni yang kita tak pernah tengok, kita akan belajar pasal haiwan itulah. Okay, so itu ialah maksud museum. Dan paling penting dekat sini ialah kamu tahu macam mana nak sebut museum dalam bahasa Inggeris. Okay, it is very important that you know how to pronounce museum in English. Okay, so I'll repeat it for one last time. Museum. Thank you. Now moving on to the next part. Okay, activity 1. Go ahead and turn to page 52 if you haven't already. Okay, because we are going to read together. Okay, kalau belum buka lagi muka surat 52, boleh buka sekarang sebab kita nak baca sama-sama ni. Okay, now this one, we are going to read this together. Okay, the Science Museum. Explore the world and have fun. Okay, museum science. Explore the world maknanya kita cari, kita tengok apa yang ada dalam dunia ni dan have fun. So basically museum ni dia akan cerita tentang dunia kita. Now, first part of that museum is who am I? Now, what are we going to find in who am I? Find out how your DNA makes you different from other people and how a scientist would make a clone of you. So dia cakap cari tahu macam mana DNA anda menjadikan anda berbeza daripada orang lain dan macam mana saintis boleh jadikan clone kamu. Okay, clone ni macam mana? Okay, I've already opened a tab on my Google, on my other account. So let's check it out here. So clone. Cloning is basically creating one ancestor or stock to which they are genetically identical. So dia akan buat satu lagi versi kamu, ataupun kalau diklonkan kamu lah. For example, this sheep right here. So ini katakanlah ini kambing biri-biri yang original. So dia klonkan biri-biri tu jadilah macam ni. Okay, ni pula stormtrooper. Okay, macam mana dijadikan banyak daripada satu kepada banyak. Okay, itu ialah clone. Dia tak perlu tunggu lama-lama, dia boleh jadikan terus. Tu kalau dalam cerita kartun lah. But in reality, I'm not sure if that's how it's done, but I believe it takes much longer than just a blink of an eye. Okay, so next part we have the food of the future, makanan masa depan. Okay, millions of people around the world go hungry every day. Berjuta-juta orang di dunia, di seluruh dunia berlapar setiap hari. But are genetically modified crops really the answer? Dia cakap, adakah makanan yang dimodified secara genetik itu ialah jawapannya? Okay, makanan yang diubah secara genetik ni maksudnya kalau mula-mula makanan tu jagung yang biasa, mungkin dia ubah sikit genetik jagung tu. Jadi jagung tu boleh rasa lain ke, boleh jadi warna biru ke, bila makan kita jadi kuat ke, anything lah. Anything is possible if they are able to find a way. Okay, now next part, we are going to read about journey into space. So remember, ini semua ialah apa yang ada dalam Museum Science ni. Now, journey into space. Experience space in 3D in our amazing IMAX cinema. Travel by spacecraft to the planet Mars and see the view from a satellite flying round the Earth. Okay, dia cakap alami pengalaman angkasa lepas di dalam 3D, three dimensional. Okay, maknanya kita boleh macam tengok benda tu macam realnya, boleh pegang ke, macam air tu boleh kena muka kita ke. Okay, in our amazing IMAX cinema. Okay, IMAX cinema ni dia berbeza daripada cinema yang berbeza. Cinema tu macam wayang lah basically. Okay, so kita tengok dekat sini IMAX cinema tu macam mana. Alright, okay, let's have a look at it here. IMAX Cinema is a proprietary system of high-resolution cameras, film formats, film projectors and theatres known for having very large screens with a tall aspect ratio and steep stadium seating. Okay, rupa IMAX Cinema tu dia macam ni. Dia lagi besar daripada sinema yang biasa. And kedudukan kerusi dia pun berbeza daripada wayang yang biasa kita tengok tu lah. Okay, jadi feel dia tu lagi real. Rasa macam kita betul-betul dalam satellite tengah keliling bumi. Kita pergi dekat planet Marikh. Okay, Mars tu Marikh. Okay, alright, next we are going to have a look at the healthy Earth. Okay, what is an healthy Earth? Okay, what is a healthy Earth? Okay, watch a wind turbine and a solar panel make electricity and see what happens to a battery when you throw it away. Dia cakap tengok macam mana wind turbine and a solar panel jana tenaga elektrik, dan tengok macam mana apa yang jadi pada bateri bila kamu buang bateri tu. Okay, wind turbine ni benda ni lah, kincir angin. Solar panel tu benda yang petak-petak yang kamu boleh pakai. Contohnya rumah kamu tak ada elektrik tapi kamu ada solar panel di atap atau bumbung rumah kamu tu. So dia akan janakan kuasa tenaga elektrik untuk rumah kamu. So rumah orang lain tak ada elektrik tapi rumah kamu still ada because of the solar panel. Okay, now last part, the secrets of medicine. Rahsia perubatan. How does a scientist find a cure for a disease? And how can a vaccine stop you getting ill? Learn the answers to these questions and more. Okay, kalau kita pergi dekat the secrets of medicine, apa yang kita dapat? Kita akan dapat tahu macam mana saintis cari penawar untuk penyakit. Penawar means macam mana kamu sembuhkan penyakit. For example, kalau obesity, macam mana kita nak sembuhkan. I don't know if obesity is a disease, but yeah. Okay, dan cara macam mana vaksin boleh halang kamu daripada jatuh sakit. Okay, so kamu akan belajar jawapan kepada soalan-soalan ni dan banyak lagi berkenaan medicine di The Secrets of Medicine. Okay, now that's basically it about the Science Museum. Now that you've read this, let's check out the next part that we are going to do in this lesson. Now, activity 2, we are still referring to page 52. Yeah, don't go anywhere else. Just stay on that page. Okay, cari nombor 2 dalam buku teks kamu muka surat 52. Look for number 2. Can you find it? Number 2. Okay, the question asks, which part of the museum would you like to visit? Why? Okay, so pertama, copy this question. Salin soalan ni. Number 2, answer the question. Jawab soalan ni. Your answer should be something like this. Jawapan kamu boleh jadi macam ni. Okay, boleh jadi macam ni. The part of the museum that I would like to visit is, dia tanya, dalam banyak-banyak tempat dalam museum tu tadi, yang mana kamu nak pergi? Okay, tadi kan kita dah baca ada banyak jenis kan. Boleh tengok angkasa lepas lah, boleh cakap pasal makanan, cakap pasal perubatan, DNA kamu. Okay, yang mana kamu nak pergi? Dan bagi sebab. So, the part of the museum that I would like to visit is, let's say, the history of museum. Okay, the history of museum. The history of health. Okay, and because I love watching how the system works. Contohnya lah macam tu. Okay? Okay, kalau dah boleh buat, isi jawapan kamu. So, kamu akan salin soalan ni dan kemudian buat jawapan kamu sendiri dalam buku kamu. Okay, next. Activity number 3. We are still on page 52. Don't go anywhere. Page 52 is it. Okay, activity number 3. What are we going to do here? First of all, copy this question and also this table. Okay, salin soalan ni, copy and complete the table with the correct words from exercise 1. Okay, and then complete the table. Salin table ni dan kamu akan lengkapkan table with the correct words from activity 1. Okay, so activity 1 tadi kita buat apa? Kita baca kan? Tapi do you see the words in blue? Nampak tak words in blue? Okay, ada perkataan-perkataan yang berwarna biru kan? So, in this activity, you are going to place all of the words in blue in its own column. Okay, kamu akan isikan perkataan yang berwarna biru tu dalam kolom dia sendiri. Contohnya, perkataan spacecraft. Dia terletak dalam kolom mana? Space, angkasa lepas ke, medicine, perubatan ataupun environment, alam sekitar. So, kamu isi perkataan yang berwarna biru ni, DNA, clone, genetically modified crops, cure, disease, vaccine dan semua yang dekat sini pun yang warna biru sahaja kamu masukkan dalam kotak yang sepatutnya. Okay? Alright. Next, activity number 4. Express yourself. When a question asks you to express yourself, it means this question wants to know about you. Okay? Bila soalan tu suruh kamu express yourself, ceritakan pendapat kamu, apa yang kamu tahu. Okay? So, first of all, copy the question. Salin soalan ni. What do you want to know about science in the future? Apa yang kamu nak tahu berkenaan sains di masa depan? Write one question for each of the 3 subheadings in exercise 3. So, dia cakap tulis satu soalan untuk setiap subheadings di exercise 3. So, exercise 3 tadi kita ada ni kan, space, medicine and environment. Ini ialah subheadings ataupun tajuk dia. Okay, so untuk setiap tajuk ni, teacher dah tulis dekat sini, kamu kena tulis satu soalan. Okay, untuk setiap bahagian ni. Just write one question. For example, dia dah bagi contoh dekat sini. Will people live on other planets? Will people live on other planets? Kalau kamu nampak soalan ni, dia nak duduk dekat mana? Kalau teacher letak dekat sini kot. Dekat space ni. So, will people live on other planets? So, ini ialah cara kamu jawab. First, salin saja soalan dekat sini. Kemudian tulis ni A, B, C. A ada space, B medicine, C environment. Okay. So, kamu akan tulis soalan di sebelah heading tersebut. Okay. Di sebelah tajuk tu. Alright. Itu ialah tugasan terakhir kamu untuk hari ini. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, kalau ada part yang tak faham, nak tanya teacher, message saja di Telegram dan teacher akan reply. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Have an incredible time finishing this up. Bye-bye.